Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Note that when you create parameter fields, you had the ability to create parameters that stored multiple values, such as multiple names or even an upper and a lower date value. When you create a parameter that stores multiple values, Crystal Reports stores those values to a structure called an array. An array is much like a database table in that it can store multiple values. It is simply an ordered list of values which all share the same data type. Values stored within an array are called the array elements. You can also create arrays by using the makeArray function in either the Crystal syntax or the basic syntax. There are also several functions which make use of arrays of numbers for their calculations, such as the statistical functions of variation and standard deviation. You can also use arrays with your standard mathematical functions like average or sum. Oftentimes, arrays are created in parameter fields by storing two date values, which are then used for record selection purposes. You can use the minimum and maximum functions to extract the lower and upper date ranges from a parameter array to use within a report subtitle, which is helpful for showing the date range that is selected by a parameter prompt.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.